'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Then out of the mist came a very bright glow. Was it someone dressed in red that we all love and know? Nope, it was Micks Mowers, the mower man, with his Christmas helpers. So just before Christmas, come join in the cheer as Micks Mowers goes live. This only happens but once a year. Mick's Christmas live stream with special guests Bruce's Shop, the Mower Medic, Terrell Fixes All, Double Wide Six, Machinery Nation, Ken's Small Engines, Jimmy the Mower, and Zippo Varga. So sit back and relax on December the 17th when Mick and his friends will unbox a very special Christmas.